Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kiral and I'm a full-time cabin crew. And I have recently started this channel. It has been a month, I guess so. And I post videos around cabin crew journey, fashion, and all that. So today's video is actually very interesting, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So the topic today is how to crack GD. It is, I mean, in every airline, if you'll go, I have got a message once again, yeah. Yeah, I was saying that in every airline, you'll go, at least in domestic airlines, the first topic of first round is GD, okay? Now, what is a GD? GD is just group discussion. Group discussion is like a lot of people are there, you're in a group, and the HR or the instructor would come, they'll give you a topic, you have to speak about it. But before diving into it, there are 2-3 things that I want to tell you, and I want your opinion over it. First thing would be, I would really appreciate if you guys could follow me on Instagram, because there are a lot of questions that I get over YouTube, okay, on my DMs, like on the comment section here, and I can't reply. I mean, they are, because they are not yes or no questions, they are like situational based, that if this is happening, then what should I do. So I would rather suggest you, if you could drop me a message on my Instagram DM, because there I can just, you can ask people, whoever texts me on Instagram, I record an audio for them and I send it to them there. So if you want to know about something, or if it is a situational based questions, please drop me a message on Instagram, not here, but you can drop it here. If I'll have the time, I can do, but I would rather suggest you to do it there, because I am more active there. Because I have said this so many times in so many videos that I have to come here, I have to sit down and record a video, which takes a lot. I mean, I'm so sorry, I'm fumbling. But on Instagram, it's like whatever is happening, it's on the story, it's on the post, it's in a reel. So are you understanding? Okay, so that is there. And one more thing I have to tell you, I forgot. Let me think and I'll get back to you. I am back. So I was saying, first thing would be for on following on Instagram, that I have done. I'll attach the link in my description of this video. You can go check it there and follow me there. For this video, I would appreciate if you could like, subscribe, and comment here, because that gives me the motivation to record videos. Whenever I see that there are people who want to know things from my perspective, it gives me. I went out today, I just came and I was like, hey Priya, let's record a video, why not, you're ready also, so let's just record. And anyway, that's there. Now we'll straight up dive into the topic. Now, what do you understand by GD? Okay, what do you think GD is? What is group discussion? What is happening? Because it's sort of like extempore, right? Because you are there and you just get a topic and you have to speak about it, right? And you're just like कि समटाइम्स क्या होता है ना, वो मेंटल ब्लॉक भी हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो टॉपिक ऐसे देते हैं आपको. आई शेयर वन माई एग्जाम्पल, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड विद मी. I went and Jiti Babi have given the interviews. I have shared it that I got rejected 4-5 times in Air India only because of stupid things, but I always got selected in the GD round, okay. And there have been times that I was the only one who got selected in, like in 10 people or something like that. So this one time I got a topic which was sibling. Now if you'll hear it for the first time, you will think कि भाई sibling के बारे में भी हम क्या बोले ना. It's like it takes a lot. So what happened, because it was a topic like that, everybody was quiet. So I was just like, this is my opportunity, this is the thing, this is what I've been waiting for, this is my opportunity, I'm going to talk about it. Because when you take initiative, I'm not saying कि आप unprepared बोलने लग जाओ, okay. If you're not sure, don't speak, because you will ruin your chance. So if you see that the HR is waiting and nobody is really replying to it, you will be the one, you should be the one who is speaking about that topic, okay. So I got sibling, and I just went like that. Yeah, I have 2 siblings and they both are younger to me, and I am the eldest. As much as I hate them, I love them the most also, because they have taught me a lot of things. They have taught me how to be patient, they have told me how to take good responsibility, because of them I have this a thing in me that I care about people, and a lot of tolerance, okay. You don't always have to be very like formal with them, because what they want is, what is the major thing about group discussion, okay. उनको क्या चाहिए group discussion, वो क्यों कर रहे हैं. First thing is they are looking how confident you are, okay, how confident you are. Second thing that they're looking is how are you speaking, how is your vocab, how clear you are. Because you know जब हम confident नहीं होते it's very visible. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा डर डर के बोलूँगी कि you actually I know you know I feel that sibling is मतलब according to me, अब अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूँगा तो आप सोचोगे कि भाई पहले तू खुद सोच लेना तेरे को क्या बोलना है, ऐसे थोड़ा ना तुम कुछ भी बोलोगे. So that is the thing. First जाने दो चीज़ों को. कभी ये मत सोचो कि मुझे बहुत कुछ बोलना है, बिकॉज दे विल नॉट गिव यू दैट मच टाइम. इफ़ यू विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम देन दे विल ऑल्सो रिजेक्ट यू, बिकॉज दे विल जस्ट फील दैट यू आर नॉट अलाउिंग अदर पीपल टू स्पीक. ओके, so okay, now we'll start with the tips. You have got the example right, and good news for you all, I have recorded a video for Air India hiring and I'll be posting it either not today, not possible today, tomorrow or something, after this video only, because it's a very long video. It's like a 20 minutes video. I've talked a lot about things, okay, and I have done my makeup and all also onto that. So I just thought that I'll take my time, I'll edit it and then I'll post it, because there is no point ना ऐसे post करने का, ठीक है. So this is also done. Diving into the GD topic back again. Now the thing is GD में ना सबसे पहले what you have to do is you're going, see how you're sitting. By this I mean you can't be sitting like this, can't be sitting like this, can't be sitting like that. Are you understanding? You have to maintain a good posture. If you're a girl, just put your hands like this. Oh, I caught my nails. Like, if you're a crew, you know that you have to get press-ons. You can't get extensions. At least my airline doesn't allow. So anyway, you put your hands like this. Don't keep your other leg over the one leg, because that is not formal. Okay, you think that is formal, that's not. You just put both the feet down. Just, if you want me to make a video about body language, I can do that also, but just let me know. Now you're sitting, you're putting your hands like this and you're sitting straight, your posture is straight. Always make sure whenever you're speaking, you're maintaining the eye contact. You're maintaining the eye contact with the HR, and then you're maintaining the eye contact with the other 9 people around you. Okay, that shows that it's not just you who are speaking. That means you're allowing other also to take part in your conversation. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं दूसरे लोगों को मौका दे रही हूँ कि if you feel this is not how it is, या फिर आपका कुछ opinion, then you please put it here. Okay. First thing is how I am sitting. Second is your grooming should be on point. Grooming should be on point. I am telling you this why they have 10 this thing. What do we call it? 10 sheets. Okay. Each one has like one document has your CV and a sheet for them to fill in, and then there they write everything about you. Then the same sheet goes to the next round and the third round, the fourth round. So like it's a long process and you want good things on there, right? So जब भी आप बैठो आपका grooming ना, they watch it very carefully and they write, okay, that oh good grooming, this thing, that thing, that thing. Okay, so we know how to sit, we know how our grooming should be. Third thing would be, yeah, so I'm back. Okay, first thing was how you're sitting. Second thing is how you're how's your grooming, and that goes for guys also. Okay, आप ऐसे शादी बन के नहीं जा सकते. When you're a crew, you have to be clean shaved. I hope you know that, right? So you be clean shaved, you wear good formals, and then go. Okay, now these things are done. Now third thing is that when you're sitting and you have got the topic, and first say, so I'm back. I was saying that I have talked about the initiator wala part, right? That if nobody is speaking, then you should be the first one to speak, okay? But that doesn't mean कि आपको अगर नहीं आता तो आप कुछ भी बोलने लग जाओगे. Take your time, that's okay. But it's always a brownie point if you speak first, okay? Now जस्ट थिंक क्या होता है, लोग ना बहुत एक्साइट हो जाते हैं अगर उनको उनका फेवरेट टॉपिक भी नहीं, बट अगर ऐसा टॉपिक मिल जाता है विच दे लाइक, दे जस्ट स्टार्ट कि ओ टॉक अबाउट हॉस्पिटल्स. ओ हॉस्पिटल्स आर लाइक दिस, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट. नो, वो ये नहीं देख रहे कि आपको कितना पता है, वो नॉलेज वो देखते हैं, बट देयर इज अ वे टू पोर्ट्रे थिंग्स, राइट? सो फर्स्ट यू विल बी लाइक, hi everybody, very good evening. My name is Priya Kirar, and as the topic was HR, I would like to say that my opinion is, are you understanding? You give something before the topic. You just don't dive right in like don't dive right into it. I'm fumbling. I'm thirsty. I'll go have some water anyway. So there's that. Okay, now three things are done. Okay, you have started the topic, now you're talking. And don't 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 put your personal opinions like that कि जो बहुत harsh होते हैं, politically inclined. No, you keep things neutral. Okay, now after this thing, what you're doing when you're ending, what you have to say is that thank you so much everybody for your time. This is my opinion. However, I'm really open for y'all's suggestion. Don't say your suggestion, because y'all is a slang. No, it's not a proper way. And don't say yeah, I know, yeah, that's not formal words. Okay, we'll say yes, I understand, yes, I've got it. Because I am somebody जिसको या बोलने की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. या आई नो, या आई डू दैट, या दिस, या दैट. नो, वी कांट से दैट. मुझे इतनी बार मेरे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स ने बोला ना सर्विस का ट्रेनिंग में, आई कांट टेल यू प्रिया इट्स नॉट या, से यस, लाइक ओके ओके व्हाटएवर. My service trainers were good only. Anyway, so this is how it is. And when you're ending, you have said that. Now mostly क्या होता है ना, वो सबको बोलते हैं that you all have 1 minute time, you all speak. And then जब कभी कुछ HR पे डिपेंड करता है, कुछ सबको 1 minute बोलने के लिए टाइम देते हैं, कुछ लोग कॉन्वर्जेशन को ओपन रखते हैं. लाइक मैंने कुछ बोला, आपने कुछ बोला, एंड देन आई हैव अ डिफरेंट ओपिनियन. नेवर कट एनीबडी. Even though you feel they are saying it wrong, you never cut them. Let them speak. Just अगर तुम्हें लगा कि किसी ने बहुत harsh बोला है and you have got the time to say something about it, say that I respectfully disagree, because I feel, whatever your opinion is. Now this all you have got. Now we'll talk about the major topics, GD topics, which are popular in the last, this thing. Last 2 years back, like in 2023, when was the last drive. So first would be the sibling they'd give you, government school, public, or this private schools they'll give you, junk food, indoor food. इतना stupid topics they'll give you, that you will feel like अबे यार, this is Air India hiring, what topics are you giving me? But they're very clever. They're testing your knowledge, how you can portray things, how you can make up stories, and how you can talk basically. So don't let yourself get fooled out because of that. Be very clever. And I guess that is about GD. There's nothing else that you want to know more, because this is the basic. If anything is specific you want to know, please let me know. I'll make a shorts about it. But I was thinking, I thought I have said this before, but I've said it in the Air India hiring wala video, which I'll post later, but I'll say it again here. So what I'm planning is I'll make shorts, okay, 1-2 minute shorts, in which what I'll do is I'll take any one GT topic, I'll speak about it as if I am a trainee, or sorry, as if I am the person who has gone to give an interview. And in every video we'll break down one topic. So if you all are interested into it, please let me know, and I'll see you all around. It was very nice to speak to you. Bye bye. Love you, Max. Take care. See ya.